my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Megan. If you guys are not new, thank you guys so much for coming back and watching my videos. Instead of doing the usual monthly favorites, I decided to just skip the month of November because there wasn't really anything that stood out to me and that I wanted to really mention to you guys. So I decided to do a gift guide. Today we are going to discuss some products, some random things that I think would be excellent gifts for the special person in your life. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love for you guys to show your support and become a part of my channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell, and that's just to remind you guys when I post new videos. You don't want to miss that notification, okay? So let's get into this holiday gift guide. I wanted to kind of break it down into different categories as far as like the type of person that would like each of these gifts. So to begin, we are going to discuss some items that I think the fashionista in your life would appreciate. Now, I am the type of gal that likes a nice piece of jewelry. It doesn't need to be expensive, it just has to be cute. I'm not very particular about, you know, expensive jewelry or needing those really high dollar items. I am kind of a more simple gal. I like really dainty jewelry, but I also like good deals and bargains. But I do think that it is important too to have just a few statement pieces in your jewelry collection. Like once you like pass your 30s, you not only start to get wrinkles, but you also start to collect pieces of jewelry. It's weird. This item is an item that was given to me for a bridesmaid's gift, and my girl Annie gave me this necklace, and it is a Kate Spade 1 in a million necklace. It is gold. Whoop. It's super cute. It has my initial, and then on the back it says 1 in a million, which I think is so cute. But this is just such a good gift for somebody in your life. Maybe it's a best friend, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, I don't know. Just somebody that would enjoy like a custom necklace with their initial. I think it's super cute, and I love the quality of Kate Spade jewelry. It's super pretty, and it is, for a gift, I think affordable, but still really good quality. I literally wear it with like every outfit. It's just one of those that like you never want to take it off. It's beautiful. This next item is one that I think anybody would enjoy because honestly a guy or a girl could receive this as a gift. These are the High Key sunglasses by Quay. And I know a lot of people will pronounce it Quay, but it's actually an Australian company. It is pronounced Quay, Q-U-A-Y. But these are the best sunglasses ever. I have probably 4 pairs of these in different colors. The cool thing about these two are that you can get them now in mini, which these are the mini size. I have a smaller face, so I kind of need glasses that fit this. They do have a larger size as well if you prefer those bigger shades, which those are kind of beneficial too. Those days when you're maybe a little tired, maybe you want to cover up, you know, the really tired eyes. I have been a loyal Quay customer since the beginning of time. When Quay wasn't even well known or in stores like Nordstrom's, I was purchasing their sunglasses off of their website. So I have quite the collection myself, but have been a loyal customer for a very long time. Super affordable too. They usually are in like the $60 range, but they're really good quality. And not only that, but they have good sales too. So a lot of the times if you go on their website, you can get buy one, get one half off, or buy one, get one free, like during the holiday season, which I think they have a few of those discounts going right now. For a guy or a girl, they have unisex styles. They also have a men's section if you have a boyfriend, husband, if it's complicated, you know, one of those. Now, in the winter time of Idaho, it gets a little cold here. So giving gifts of warmth is always a good idea. A soft beanie. I purchased this at Tiffany Blue, which is a local boutique in Idaho, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. I will link them below. You guys need to check out their Instagram. They have such cute clothes. I love their stuff, and I'm a frequent shopper. I did purchase this there. I believe it was like 20 bucks. It's such a good gift. It's so soft. So soft. So cute. I will insert a picture on the screen of me wearing the hat, but it's adorable with any outfit and just a good stocking stuffer, honestly, and just a good gift for the gal in your life. I have to mention the Slounge Set from Gymshark. If you guys haven't heard of them, they are a workout kind of athleisure brand. I love Gymshark. They are just getting better and better with each launch of clothing. They have the cutest workout clothes. If you are a fitness lover or have somebody in your life that loves fitness clothing, like myself, then you guys would love their brand. But this, as you can see, is their Slounge Set, I believe, but it is the cutest cropped, I will show you. Now, as you can see, it's just a cropped, kind of cute, little hooded loungewear outfit. It comes with the pants too, which are high-waisted. Super cute. Such a cozy little outfit just to hang around the house. I wouldn't necessarily wear it to the gym to work out, but just kind of hanging out around the house. Have a few other colors in this. I believe they have a gray and like a brownish taupe color, which is super cute. All right, now you know I had to mention some items for the beauty lover, makeup lover in your life. I myself am one of those, and these items are just a few of my favorite things. Alright, this first palette is actually very new, and I have never purchased this brand before, but it is the McGrath Labs. Look at how cute! Can we talk about this situation and how cute that is? You just take off the little, open it up, and just prepare yourself, if I could open it. Look at these colors. Now these are not your average everyday colors, but they are gorgeous. And if you have a beauty lover or a makeup lover in your life that likes to just have that palette of really shimmery, pretty holiday colors, then you guys, come on. I am wearing this gold shade on my eyes today. It is beautiful. So gorgeous. They go on so beautifully, and the pigment is like, it is there. It is not there to play. It is not shy. Really pretty to the eye, and when somebody receives it, they may or may not have heard of it before, but when they open it, they're going to be pleasantly surprised. Another palette that I'm loving lately is the Huda Beauty New Nudes. This is going to be for that girl that loves the nude tones, loves the kind of pinkish tones, is more of the neutral kind of gal that just likes a really pretty kind of glam, soft glam look. This is a super popular palette right now, and I guarantee you if you have a girl, a teenager, a wife, a friend that loves makeup, they've probably heard of this, but it's one of those palettes that I think is so good to have in your collection just because it has a really good amount of different colors. A really good palette too for traveling because it just kind of has all those mattes and shimmers that you need. Also, this palette is, I believe it is like a limited time. I don't think it's like a normal palette, but Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked. But this palette is beautiful. Look at these colors. You have a gorgeous highlight here. You have the bronzer. These two are going to be like a finishing powder, kind of for the whole face. It just really softens the look, softens the pores, makes you look more like airbrushed, I would say. These two are going to be blushes. I love to use them separately or mix them. This is going to be that palette that is for light to medium skin tones. I think if you're darker skin tone, you could use some of the blushes and whatnot, but the rest probably not. But this is such a good palette just to have a bronzer, highlighter, blush all in one. It's on Sephora. It is a hot palette and it goes fast. So it is limited edition. So if you can get your hands on it, you need to. All right, and then I have a few items that are kind of for your hostess in your life that likes to have some friends over, likes to have a good party, that likes a good home gift. Now, I am a fan of candles. I purchase lots of candles just to make sure that my house is always smelling divine. But one, my dog stinks, okay? He's a bulldog. He can't help it. You can do whatever. He's stinky. There's no solutions. So I want to make sure that my house smells really good when people come in. For the holidays too, it's good to have a nice smell in the home. It's one of my favorite brands, and it's from Anthropologie. It's the Voluspa candles, and not only are they just gorgeous to look at, it's like really hard glass and the design is just so my style, but the smells are so good. This one is my favorite. It's the Orchid White Lily Spring Moss, and oh, so good. It's such a like fresh, floral, just yummy scent. I love to put this in my bathroom. And then any other candles that they have, I think they have like an amber one that smells really good. Those I'll put in my actual like house, like kitchen, living area. This is a really good gift for that hostess in your life just because it's so pretty. You could put it on any shelf, anywhere in the house, and it looks good and it smells really good too. I would consider myself a hostess. I love home interior stuff. I love kitchen stuff. This was a gift, and these are salt and pepper shakers from Pottery Barn, and as you can see, they're cute little bulldogs. We love English bulldogs. We have one ourselves, so this was super cute, and I loved this as a gift, but I thought it was so cute to give to that person in your life that loves like kitchen, kind of cute little kitchen things. I don't know if they still have the bulldog ones, but I think just as an idea in general, like to give salt and pepper shakers that are like custom to maybe something that you know your friend likes. It's such a cute gift, and it's one that like when you set it out on the counter, it looks really cool, and it's like a personal type gift to give. Now this is kind of like a random item, but I wanted to include it because it's on Amazon and it's such a good deal. This is the 20-pack meal prep containers, and I love these. I like to meal prep, and I know that anybody that appreciates meal prepping, or you know, maybe you have somebody in your life that is healthy or likes fitness, then this is a super cool gift to have, and it's super affordable. It's on Amazon. But this just makes meal prep so easy. These containers are dishwasher safe, and they stack really well in your fridge. So if you have somebody in your life that is more healthy, wants to get healthy for the new year, then this would be an excellent gift to give. All right, you guys, that's it for my holiday gift guide. Honestly, I had a lot more to mention, but I thought, why not start out with this? I don't want the video to be too long, you know? Maybe this can be like a part 1. Maybe I can do a part 2 for next week. If you guys want a part 2, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will link my Instagram on the screen somewhere. I would love for you guys to follow me. And also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and like the video. Lots of things to do. I know, it's overwhelming. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, watching my video. I will see you guys in the next one, and love you.